Good morning, class. Now, today we are going to study the fraction and the problem depend on the fraction which is in the exercise B. Okay, I have already explained you all the concepts about the fractions. Now, see, in this exercise, you have to given the first question. For each pair given below, state whether it is from like fraction or non-like fraction. Like fraction and non-like fraction. Like fraction means if their denominators are equal. If their denominators are equal, then we can say that these are the like fractions. So here we will see the question number 1 of the first one. So here first one 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. See 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. So these are what we can call them. So these are like fractions because they have the equal denominator. If denominator is equal, then we can say that these are the like fractions. Now second one we can take. The second one is given 8 upon 15 and 8 upon 21. So see observe the denominator. Here is 15 and here is 21. So these are the unlike fractions. So we can say here these are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. So this is the concept. That means you have understood what are the like fractions and what are unlike fractions. Now see the second one we will see convert given fractions into fractions with equal denominator. That means we have to convert it into the like fraction. So question number second is here. In question second, the first one, what is given in first one? 5 by 6 and 7 upon 9. So 6 is there, 9 is there. So we have to take LCM. So LCM of 9 and 6 is, what is the LCM? Is equal to 18. What is the LCM? 18. Therefore make the LCM 18. Okay. So here 5 upon 6 multiply by 3 upon 3 equal to, which will be the 15 upon 18. And second one 7 upon 9 into 2 upon 2 equal to 14 upon 18. Now we have converted these. So these are the required fractions. We can say that 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18 are required fractions. These are the required fractions. What now? Now see, that is we have understood how to convert into the unlike fraction into like. These are the unlike fractions and we have converted them into the like fractions. So these are the unlike fractions. Taking the LCM लेना है और उसका denominator equal कर देना है. So like that we can convert it. Then after that we will see the question number 3. Okay. So these are the very basic concepts are there. Okay, what are the third one? Question third is given. Convert given fractions into the fractions with equal numerator. Equal numerator. Here convert equal numerator. I have written the question in very short. So here I will take one question. 8 upon 9 and 12 upon 17. 8 upon 9 and 12 upon 17. So here, what is the LCM of that? Numerator we have to do the numerator equal. So LCM of 8 and 12 is, how much is the LCM? 24. So 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 3 because 3 are 24 equal to 24 upon 27 and second one 12 upon 17 into 2 upon 2 it will be the 24 upon 17. So required answer equal to 24 upon 27 and 24 upon 17. So we have made the numerator equal. See 24, 24. Like that you can convert it into the equal numerators. Okay, so these are the problems depend on the convergence. Now see, after that we will see another one problem. Put the given fraction into the ascending order by making the denominators equal. Here we have to make the denominator equal first. That means we have to convert it into the like fraction, and then we have to arrange it into the ascending order. If you have understood the ascending order, that means you can do the descending also. Okay. So see now, question 4, first one, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 6. Okay. So here 3, 5, 4 and 6. Okay. 3, 5, 4 and 6. Here what is LCM? LCM of 3, 5, 4 and 6. What is LCM? The LCM will be 60 is equal to 60. What is your LCM? LCM is the 60. Now make the LCM 60. So first one, 1 upon 3 equal to 1 upon 3. This should be multiplied by 20 upon 20. So which will be the 20 upon 60. Second one, 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5, it should be multiplied by 12. So 12 upon 12, because 12 5 is 60. So 24 upon 60. Next, 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 should be multiplied by 15. So 15 upon 15. So it will be the 45 upon 60. Next, 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 should be multiplied by 10 upon 10. 10 upon 10. So which will be the 10 upon 60. So we have converted them into the like fractions. So these are the like fractions. These are the like fractions. That means denominator is equal. So now we have to compare here only the numerators. But we have to compare numerator. So out of that, see, observe them. Which one is the very smaller? So out of that, 10 is the very smallest. 10 is the very smallest. So we can write 10 upon 60 greater than, what is the greater than 20? 20 upon 60. After that, 24 upon 60. After that, 45 upon 60. 45 upon 60. And further you can write the proper fraction also. 1 upon 10 is 1 upon 10 is which fraction? 1 upon 6. 20 upon 6 means which fraction? 1 upon 3. Okay. Then 24 upon 60 means 24 upon 60. This will be the 2 upon 5. This fraction is the 2 upon 5. And 45 upon 60 means 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. We have written it into the ascending order. Okay, we have written into the smallest, smaller, bigger, bigger, bigger. And if we have to write the descending order, reverse of that. पहले वो आ जाएगा 45 upon 60, then 24 upon 60, then 20 upon 60, then 10 upon 60. Reverse हो जाएगा. Okay, that means if you have understood the ascending order, so you can do the descending also. Okay, so then if you require, I think there is no need to explain another one question from this question, because this is very simple concept. So ascending and descending you have understood. Ascending and descending very simple steps are there, same steps are there only. यहाँ पे लिखते समय पहले छोटा लिखेंगे उसके बाद बड़ा लिखेंगे, पहले बड़ा लिखेंगे उसके बाद छोटा लिखेंगे. This is the descending order. और ascending में पहले छोटा लिखा जाता है और फिर बड़ा लिखा जाता है. Got it now? Now after that we will see the question number 6. Find which fraction is greater. Okay, after that we will see find which fraction is greater. That one we will see. And see, if you have not understood the problem, you can see the video in the repeat mode. So first one 3 upon 5 and 11 upon 15. So here very simple to find the greater and smaller. So make the first denominator equal. That means convert them into the like fraction. So here 3 upon 5 and 11 upon 15. What is the LCM? LCM of 5 and 15. LCM of 5 and 15. What is the LCM? Is 30. So 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 6 upon 6 and 11 upon 15 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 2 upon 2 से. So it will be the 6 3 the 18 upon 30 and 22 upon 30. Now 30 can be cancelled. That means denominator is equal. So what is remaining? 18 and 22. Which is the greater? 22 is greater. So it implies that means 22 upon 30 means 11 upon 15 is greater. इसका मतलब क्या पढ़ा है? Which is the greater? 11 upon 15 is the greater. Okay. After that, we will see the another one problem. Out of that, any problem is given in mixed fraction? Mixed one is not given, I think. Okay, so we will take the one minus problem. Okay, so in which question there is a minus symbols are there. Okay, see now here. In fifth one, we have to given the minus 1. Minus 2 upon 7 and minus 3 upon 10. Minus 2 upon 7 and minus 3 upon 10. So here 7 and 10. 7 and 10. So first LCM of 7 and 10 is 70. So make the denominator 70. So minus 2 upon 7 into 10 upon 10 and minus 3 upon 10 into 7 upon 7. So which will be the minus 20 upon 70 and minus 21 upon 70. Now 70 can be cancelled. Here minus 20 and minus 21. Which is the greater? Minus 20. So these are the minus symbols. So when minus symbols are there, we know that smaller number is greater. जब minus symbol होते हैं किसी भी नंबर पे, so जो नंबर छोटा दिखता है, that is the bigger one. So यहाँ पे minus 20 और minus 21 है. इसमें कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? Minus 20 is greater than minus 21. Why? Because they have a minus sign. Okay, so this one is greater. That means therefore minus 20 upon 70 means minus 2 upon 7 is greater. Minus 2 upon 7 is greater. Got it now? Okay. After that, I have already explained to you the insert fraction also. Okay. We have already studied the concept insert a fraction. So we will take the one example for that also. If you have written down, you can take a screenshot. If you have not understood the problem, okay, if you have not understood the problem, so you can see the video in the repeat mode. So after that, question number 7. What's given in question number 7? See, question 7 is there, insert a fraction. Insert fraction. So here I have taken 3 upon insert one fraction. Instead of insert one fraction, I will take the target question. Insert 3 fractions. Insert 3 fractions. So if you have understood the insert 3, then already you will get understood the insert 1. Okay, so insert 1 you can do. So 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. So we have to insert here the 3 fractions. How to insert? See here 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. इन दोनों के बीच में इंसर्ट करना है. ओके, सो हियर एडिशन कर देंगे 2 plus 4 upon 5 plus 9. What is that? 2 plus 4 6, 9 plus 5 14, 9 plus 5 which will be the 14. So divide this, 3 is 7, that means 3 upon 7. So इसके बीच में एक इंसर्ट हो गया, so 2 upon 5, उसके बीच में क्या आ जाएगा 3 upon 7 और बाद में 4 upon 9. मतलब एक हमने इंसर्ट कर दिया, we have inserted the first one. Now second one. अभी इन दोनों को लेंगे, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. So 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5, यहाँ पे 2 plus 3 upon 5 plus 7, 4 upon 9. Okay. So here take addition. 2 upon 5, addition 5. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 12. And here 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9, and the last one एक इंसर्ट हो गया, ये हो गया 2 upon 5, इसको ऐड कर दिया 5 upon, ये हो गया. इसके बाद कौन सा आएगा 3 upon 7 and last one 4 upon 9. मतलब अभी यहाँ पे ये वाला एक इंसर्ट हो गया 5 upon 12. अभी इन दोनों को लेते हैं, लास्ट इन दोनों को लेते हैं, इनका एडिशन कर देंगे 2 upon 5, 5 upon 12, 3 plus 4 upon 7 plus 9 और लास्ट में 4 लिख देते हैं 4 upon 9. टेक दिस एडिशन 2 upon 5, 5 upon 12 as it is. Addition 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 9 16, and this is the 4 upon 9. That means here we have inserted this. So in how many places we have done the circle? This one, here first, second and third one. Okay, first, second and third one. Sorry, we have to what is we going to write? 3 upon, I have forgot to write 3 upon 7. What I have forgot? 3 upon 7, which is after 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these fractions we have inserted. Which fractions we have inserted? See now. These fractions we have inserted. Have you understood how to insert the fraction? So if you have not understood, you can see the video in the repeat mode, or otherwise we can take the another one example. So which will be the, if you have to write down, you can take a screenshot. If you have not understood, see the video in the repeat mode. The second one we will take, I will take. Fifth one, 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 4. So here, first one, 4 upon 7. उसके बाद दोनों की एडिशन, इन दोनों के बीच में इंसर्ट करना है, तो ये फर्स्ट और लास्ट वाला दोनों साइड में लिख देंगे और बीच में दोनों की एडिशन 4 plus 3 7 plus 4. Understood? So 4 upon 7, how much? 7, 11, 3 upon 4. This is the first one. Now अभी इन दोनों को लिखेंगे, सब लिख देंगे और दोनों को इसके लिए इंसर्ट करने के लिए जगह रखेंगे. 4 upon 7, 7 upon 11, 3 upon 4 और यहाँ पे 4 plus 7 upon 7 plus 11, 4 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 11 upon 18, 7 upon 11 and 3 upon 4. अभी लास्ट वाले जो दो है उसके बीच में इंसर्ट कर देंगे. ओके, 4 upon 7, 11 upon 18, 7 upon 11, यहाँ पे जगह छोड़ देंगे इंसर्ट करने के लिए, और लास्ट में 3 upon 4, यहाँ पे एडिशन 7 plus 3, 11 plus 4, 11 plus 4. Write it again. 4 upon 7, 11 upon 8, 7 upon 11, addition 7 plus 3, 10, 10 upon 11 plus 4, 11 plus 4 is the 14, and last one 3 upon 4. Here you can cut 5 is 7, 5 is and 7 is. Then write it again. 4 upon 7, 11 upon 8, 7 upon 11, 5 upon 7, and 3 upon 4. So you have inserted these three fractions. You have inserted these three fractions. And if you have to insert only one, so your answer is finished here only. तुम्हारा आंसर यहाँ पे एक फिनिश हो जाता है. When the question is that insert the one fraction, तो तुम्हारा आंसर ये एक फिनिश हो जाता है. Insert 3, तो ये insert 3 हो जाएगी. Insert 5 बोला है, तो इसके बीच में एक इंसर्ट कर देंगे और इसके बीच में या किसी दो के बीच में एक इंसर्ट कर देंगे. लेकिन इंसर्ट 5 जनरली नहीं पूछा जाता है. 1 और 2 इंसर्ट करना है, तो ज्यादातर यहाँ पे 2 इंसर्ट हो गए, वहां पे तुम्हारा आंसर फिनिश हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम we will see the another one question number 9. Okay, so question 9, insert two fraction. That means I think you have understood insert. I have taken the insert 3, that means you have understood insert 2. insert 1 का आंसर यहाँ पे फिनिश हो गया, और insert 2 का आंसर जो है वो यहाँ पे फिनिश हो गया. Here your answer will be finished. Okay, insert 2 और insert 3 वहाँ पे. Okay, that means you have understood. If you have not understood, you can see the video in the repeat mode. Whenever you have to write down, you can take the screenshot.